Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to In My Mug. I'm your coffee friend Midori, and this week's coffee is a beautiful organic coffee from Peru. And I'm going to use this Sage Barista Pro to brew this delicious coffee. Are you guys ready? Put your kettle on and let's start brewing. Okay, so I'm so excited to use this Sage Barista Pro. So Sage is kindly lent us this beautiful machine. I didn't realize it's really compact. It's really good size. It has 250 grams hopper and a water tank, detachable water tank on the back. So you can fill up water with this. Ooh. And also detachable tamper. And portafilter, which is 55 millimeter. It looks like this, and it comes with all sort of accessories. I have it right here actually. So it comes with 54 millimeter basket. So this one is the one we currently have. And then we have a one cup basket, and also these, I've never actually seen this, but this is like a dual wall basket that you can use for pre-ground coffee when it's a little bit old to use. I haven't tried this one before, but it's quite interesting, and it comes with a cleaning kit. So it has some brush and then poking needle thing to clean the steam wand right here, and then also the cleaning chemicals. Okay, so and this one right here, it actually seals up the portafilter to be able to clean this mesh group head. All right, are you guys ready? I'm so excited to try this. Okay, so now I can see better. So this one right here is, you can change the grind size, and this is like the grind amount. So like you can set with the how many seconds you want this grind to run. And this is a single shot, and this is double shot. And on the right hand side, it has a steam wand. It doesn't turn on straight away like a cafe steam wand, but it actually does a really good job. And I'm going to use this Minor Figures organic milk, oat milk, to make some flat white today. And if you go this way, it produces a little bit of hot water too. If you want to have some kind of like long black or Americano, it makes instant hot water, which is quite cool. And to brew espresso, you need at least 3 cloths. This is like something like I really recommend. So one for portafilter. So you wipe the portafilter to get rid of some moisture inside. And then you definitely need scale. And this one for to wipe the drip tray, and the other one for steam wand. And this milk jug comes with the Sage Barista Pro, and you can see there's a minimum and a maximum liquid amount you should use. And then this one, it says razor, which I don't think I'm going to use it today, but so basically if your thumb is not strong enough, you can scrape off some of the grinds to make it fit in this group head basically. All right, so I'm going to use about 20 grams of coffee, just because this roast is quite lighter for espresso roast. So if you're using blends or espresso roasted coffee, then you can reduce it to even 70 or 18. That's pretty much up to you. Loud, isn't it? Okay, so it looks quite domed and then it's mountained, but just be careful and then take it out. Ooh, it's quite a lot of them. So right here has 20.8. You need a spoon. And you definitely need some kind of bin right next to it. So you can, get rid of the excess coffee. That's 20.6. Okay. So it's always good to weigh your coffee, so you never know why it's running fast, why it's running slow. It could be grind size, it could be amount of coffee. So I always recommend you to weigh your coffee. And when you tamp this coffee, I recommend you to put this side. Sometimes if you put on the spout, it might damage the spout, and this one doesn't come off, doesn't look like it, but it's always good to make it flat. I quite like these 3 points. You can like grab onto it, and I really don't tamp hard enough, but this one actually helps for me to tamp nice and firm. Okay. Wipe it off, and same as the coffee grinds, I would recommend you to use scale to weigh how much coffee is coming out from the machine. Okay, this. All right, tear it, press start. So usually the coffee will come out at around 7, 8, like 10 seconds. Yeah, there you go. And then this one actually has like a volumetric, so it stops at the really good timing. You can change this with the menu button, but if you're gonna change it, you need a scale to make sure it stops at the right timing. There you go. Oh, perfect. It looks really nice, isn't it? Oh, I'm so excited. And then I'm gonna put this over here, nice and tidy. And then now I'm gonna use a steam wand. Okay, so this is a new oat milk. Okay. Shake before use, and then pour up to a little bit above the minimum. Please make sure to use always cold milk, so it gives enough time to steam a nice milk. And just get rid of a little bit of excess water. Okay, when you hear this nice steam sound, place the jug. I really like this Sage Barista Pro because the height of this drip tray, you can actually use it to make sure the steam wand is like right place. You don't have to like hold it on the side. There you go. Let's see. So make sure to add a lot of air in the beginning by adding a lot of air by making it a little bit far from the steam wand. And then make sure this milk flow is like a tornado. It's like a mix inside of the milk jug. It is getting really hot, like quite quick. Awesome. It looks really nice. It looks really good. I'm so happy with this. I'm gonna use this milk jug. I'm gonna heat it up a little bit. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I can. Okay, it's okay hard, I guess. I'm pretty happy with that. I think because it's lightly roasted, it's quite a little bit acidic side, so oat milk curdles quite quicker than like it will compared to normal cow milk. But yeah, let's taste this. Okay, so, well, to be honest, I'm really happy with this latte, okay? It has a really good contrast. It's in the middle, center of the cup. The handle is on the right. You know, it's pretty good. And it's been like about 2 minutes, like, you know, as like moving around. Look at this, it's still not bubbled. I'm very happy. All right, let's taste this. Okay. It's really delicious, but yes, it's a little bit acidic side because oat milk itself is a little acidic as well. Maybe I could use cow milk. Well, I'm pretty happy about this flavor. It has really nice biscuity chocolate flavor, but it also has this orangey, like a rind flavor to it. So that's kind of not unpleasant, but like it has a little bit of, okay, it's quite acidic, but I love it. So this coffee is multi-producer lot from Peru. It's committee of 12 small producers around the village from the Antonio de Chingma. It's not rare to see organic coffee in Peru. It's because it's a mountainous side country, so it makes actually cheaper to get organic certification than to get a pesticide. So it's there isn't much specialty coffee in Peru. And then I'm really excited to like taste this coffee and taste with you, in my mug subscribers. Okay, let me know what you think about this coffee and how you're brewing at home in the comment section in below. And I'll make sure to leave more information in the description box in below. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this coffee and happy brewing.